So this is the belt tensioner that I took out. It's seizing because it came out of place as well. So right there, it's very bad. Like there's some burn marks from the when it was rubbing out of place. And if you look closer, it's out of shape. And also in some parts you can see the spring coming off. So for that job, I had to take the air condition. I mean, not the air conditioning, the alternator, because on this vehicle, even though it would be easy just to take it out, but this is made out of steel, and there's really no room for you to work on. Uh, there's little movement you can do unless you drop the engine mount a little bit. So what I'm trying to do is take out the bolts. There's 3 bolts. Let me see if I can find. There's one right there, which is a 10 millimeter. But first you have to take the dripstick. Also has a bolt that is hidden underneath, right there, in order to give you a little bit more leverage so you can put a socket. And on the bottom, it has in the bottom it has another bolt which is located right there. And in the center of this, it has an 8 millimeter, which is located right behind the bearing. So you just have this space. This is made out of steel, so there's no real room to work on. And I'm lucky right now. The only things that fit, I had this. I don't know why I had this, but you need a really thin one, because everything rubs on it. So I'm just trying to do it with this angle one. So it's a 10 millimeter short, like an 8 millimeter for the center. And that's how I'm taking it out. I've been here for a little bit of a while. So it's kind of a big, small job that became a big job. Yeah. So all these 3 are working for me right now. Plus taking the alternator to give you more space. Then I'll replace the belt, and hopefully everything is going good. So I'm doing my best right now.